Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Air 4. If these leaks turn out to be true, the Air 4 could mark a significant leap forward in DJI's Air series, offering major advancements in design, camera technology, and flight performance. With leaked images and insider reports suggesting that the Air 4 might share some cutting-edge features with the upcoming Mavic 4, it's clear that DJI is making some substantial refinements. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the leaks are intriguing enough to warrant a closer look. So, let's get into the details. The biggest leak so far. A first look at the DJI Air 4 prototype. One of the most significant leaks comes from Jasper Ellens, a well-known and credible drone industry insider. Ellens recently shared an image of what appears to be a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4, giving us our first glimpse into what DJI may have been working on behind the scenes. From the leaked image, the top cover design looks somewhat familiar, maintaining a resemblance to its predecessor, the Air 3. However, there are key differences that hint at a substantial upgrade. The prototype features two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, a design choice reminiscent of what we're expecting from the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4. This suggests that DJI may be moving toward a more unified sensor layout across its entire drone lineup. Upgraded LiDAR sensor array for advanced obstacle detection. One of the most exciting revelations in the leaked prototype is the presence of an upgraded LiDAR sensor array positioned on the front section of the drone. If accurate, this could mean significantly improved obstacle detection and enhanced nighttime flying capabilities. In previous models, DJI has relied on multiple wide-angle sensors to handle obstacle avoidance. However, it appears that DJI is shifting towards a more refined, LiDAR-based system. This new approach could allow for even more precise obstacle detection, particularly in low-light conditions. If DJI successfully implements this, it could set a new standard for safety and reliability in mid-range consumer drones. Stronger, more durable build for enhanced stability. Another key design change spotted in the leaked prototype is the presence of stronger, more robust arms compared to the Air 3. If DJI has reinforced the frame, we could be looking at improved durability and enhanced flight stability, making it an even more reliable drone for various weather conditions and terrains. However, as Jasper Ellens pointed out, this may not be the final design, and DJI could still make additional refinements before the official release. Are we saying goodbye to wide-angle sensors? A particularly surprising element of the leak is that DJI might be ditching the wide-angle sensors on the front corners of the drone. If this turns out to be true, it signals a major shift in how DJI approaches obstacle avoidance. Instead of multiple sensors covering various angles, the Air may forth rely entirely on its LiDAR system, which could provide more precise depth perception and object tracking capabilities. Of course, the real test will be how this system performs in real-world scenarios. While LiDAR technology is excellent for distance measurement and obstacle detection, it remains to be seen if it can fully replace the traditional wide-angle approach that DJI has used in previous models. More leaks. Could the DJI Air 4 be a smaller version of the Mavic 4? Jasper Ellens isn't the only source fueling speculation. Another well-known leaker, Quadro News, recently shared a cryptic image featuring a drone stacked on top of what appears to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While there is no official confirmation, many followers believe that the mystery drone could either be the DJI Air 4 or a possible Mini 5. What makes this leak even more intriguing is its timing. If DJI is actively testing multiple new drones, it could mean that an official announcement is closer than we expect. Given that DJI follows a relatively consistent upgrade cycle, this aligns with industry expectations. Expected features and speculated upgrades. While leaks can only tell us so much, a few reliable spec predictions have been circulating regarding the DJI Air 4's potential features. If these reports are accurate, we might see some impressive upgrades. Dual 1-inch camera system. One of the biggest rumored improvements is the inclusion of dual 1-inch cameras. This would be a massive upgrade over the Air 3, and would enhance both low-light performance and overall image quality. A larger sensor allows for better light intake, improved dynamic range, and richer color reproduction. Variable aperture for better exposure control. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of a variable aperture. This feature would allow pilots to adjust exposure levels dynamically, giving them greater creative control and enabling more cinematic shots. If true, this would bring the Air 4 closer in functionality to DJI's higher-end drones. 4K video at higher frame rates. The ability to shoot 4K video at high frame rates seems like a logical step forward. If DJI also enhances the dynamic range and color profile, we could see a significant boost in video quality, making the Air 4 an even more attractive option for content creators. Potential introduction of a mechanical shutter. Some sources suggest that DJI might introduce a mechanical shutter to help reduce motion distortion. This would be a welcome addition for professional photographers, as it would provide cleaner and sharper images when capturing fast-moving subjects. 360 degrees obstacle detection for enhanced safety. Safety features are always a major focus for DJI, and the Air 4 is rumored to include 360 degrees obstacle detection. By leveraging LiDAR technology, this could be one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series to date. Extended battery life. Battery performance is another key area of speculation. Some reports indicate that DJI is aiming for an extended flight time of around 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 46-minute duration. If true, this would give pilots even more time in the air without needing to land and swap batteries as frequently. Improved OcuSync transmission for better connectivity. DJI continuously improves its OcuSync transmission technology, and the Air 4 is expected to benefit from these enhancements. We could see even better connectivity, reduced interference, and more reliable real-time tracking capabilities. When can we expect the DJI Air 4? According to industry leaks, late 2025 appears to be the most realistic launch window for the DJI Air 4. DJI typically follows a 2-year upgrade cycle for its Air series, so this timeline fits within its usual strategy. Expected pricing. As for pricing, the Air 3 launched at $1,099, so we'd expect the Air 4 to be in a similar range. However, if DJI packs in high-end features such as a dual camera system, improved sensors, and extended battery life, a price increase wouldn't be surprising. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Air 4 worth the hype? If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the drone market. With a redesigned sensor layout, improved obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times, it could bring features typically reserved for premium drones into the mid-range Air series.